Can the INL Guaranteed Advantage Income Plan truly provide the steady, guaranteed income it promises, or is it just another insurance product with limited long term value? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this provides you with life insurance coverage throughout the policy term. There are flexible premium payment terms for you to choose from, and they give you guaranteed income which are payable for 20, 25, 30 or even until 40 years depending on the option you have chosen. And there is an instant cashback benefit which is payable within 7 days under eligible options. And your regular income can also commence as early as the first policy year, along with a lump sum maturity benefit at the end of the policy term. There is a facility called Flexi Wallet that allows you to accumulate guaranteed payouts and withdraws them whenever required, which offers you with greater flexibility in managing your cash flows. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So there is an option to accumulate survival benefits in a Flexi Wallet instead of receiving them as periodic payouts during the policy term, with the flexibility to withdraw the accumulated amount when needed. And you can get policy loan of up to 70% of the available surrender value, and there is flexibility to choose your premium payment frequency as well as the income payout frequency. And you have the option to enhance your life insurance coverage by adding eligible riders at an additional cost. So there are tax benefits available as well. These are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well. Like the plan variant you once chose at the time of policy inception cannot be changed later, which limits flexibility if your financial needs evolve later. So the life insurance cover provided under this policy is also relatively low and may not be sufficient to meet your family's long-term financial protection needs. And regular survival benefits payouts may also encourage discretionary spending rather than promoting disciplined long-term wealth creation. So receiving income from the yearly policy years reduces the benefit of compounding, which can result in a lower overall investment returns over the long-term period. And you can opt for a higher instant cashback benefit in the first policy year, which will reduce your survival benefits which are payable during the remaining policy term, affecting the overall cash flow. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an internal rate of return based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. Let us assume for calculation purpose that a 35-year-old male who has invested 2 lakh rupees annually for 6 years under the Insta Income Variant Plan. So his policy term is 30 years with an income payout period of 30 years and a sum assured of 22 lakhs. So what are the benefits payable under the plan? He will get instant cashback benefit, which is a one-time upfront payout of 1 lakh in the first policy year. Another benefit is yearly guaranteed income, which is EGI in short form. So this will give you 39,640 rupees per annum, which is payable in arrears from the second to the sixth policy year. And you also get regular guaranteed income, which is 31,640 rupees per annum, which is also payable in arrears from the seventh policy year until the end of the income payout period. And you also get guaranteed maturity benefit, which is a lump sum of 12.6 lakhs, which is payable along with the final guaranteed income installment. So despite these guaranteed benefits, the plan generates an internal rate of return IRR of only 3.69% as per the policy's maturity calculator over the 30-year period. Such a return is relatively low for a long-term investment, and it is unlikely to keep pace with inflation over time. The yearly and regular income payouts also reduce the amount that remains invested. And also, considering its modest return potential and limited ability to generate long-term capital appreciation, this policy is unlikely to be an effective solution for investors who are seeking wealth creation or goal-based investment planning. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to compare this policy returns with other alternative investment strategies. So here, instead of investing in an insurance policy that combines insurance and investment, instead we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately. So here what we are going to do is we are going to use the same or similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. So here we are going to use the same annual outlay of 2 lakh rupees. So for life cover, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 22 lakhs, which will require an annual premium of approximately 39,900 rupees for the first 5 years. So you can invest the remaining surplus in an equity mutual fund. Here, systematic withdrawals are structured to broadly replicate the survival benefits payable under the INL policy. So in the 6th year, the entire annual allocation of 2 lakh rupees is invested. At the end of the 6th year investment phase, the remaining mutual fund units are redeemed and the proceeds are reinvested in a fixed income instrument earning 7% per annum. So capital gains tax is considered only at the final redemption after applying the available annual long-term capital gains exemption of 1.25 lakhs. To facilitate a like comparison, the withdrawals under the strategy are aligned with the survival benefits offered by the plan, while the remaining corpus is withdrawn as a lump sum at the end of the 30-year period, which will mirror the plan's maturity benefit. So based on these assumptions, the alternative strategy generates an IRR of 6.44%, which is significantly higher than the 3.69% IRR offered by the INL policy. If periodic withdrawals are avoided, the investments are allowed to remain invested for the entire duration. The final corpus and the effective return can be even higher due to the benefit of compounding. So overall, this approach provides you with higher return potential while also offering greater liquidity, flexibility and control over your cash flows. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the INL guaranteed advantage income plan worth it or not? This policy offers you with regular income through multiple variant options, which enable investors to choose a payout structure that aligns with their cash flow requirements. While the certainty of guaranteed income may appeal to those seeking predictable cash flows, the plan offers limited potential for long-term wealth creation. So moreover, opting for a higher instant cashback benefit reduces your guaranteed income payable during the remaining policy term. The life insurance cover is also relatively modest and may not provide you with adequate financial protection for most families, and it also has a high agent commission. Although this plan offers guaranteed survival benefits under different payout structures, the income amount remains fixed and does not increase over time to offset the impact of inflation. As a result, the purchasing power of these payouts gradually declines. An analysis of the plan's IRR also indicates that the return potential is relatively low for a long-term investment, making it less suitable for investors seeking meaningful capital appreciation. So consequently, neither the insurance component nor the investment returns provide compelling value relative to the overall cost. A more effective financial strategy is to separate insurance from investment. You can secure adequate life insurance through pure term plan, which will provide you substantial financial protection at a fraction of the cost, which is of the previous policy, which is a relatively low cost, while investing separately in a diversified portfolio will offer you greater flexibility, liquidity and potential for superior long-term returns.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.